Hi everyone, I'm Slayer. Today I'll show you how to install mods for Stardew Valley. The two things we need are SMAPI and the Stardew Valley mod we want to install. First, let's start by extracting both files to the desktop. Let's open the SMAPI folder and start installing. As you can see, there are separate setups for Linux, Mac, and Windows. Since I use Windows, I'm choosing Windows. Click Run. Type 1 and press Enter. Again, type 1 and press Enter. Copy the line I showed using Ctrl-C. Open Steam and open the Library section. Select Stardew Valley from the Games section on the left. Hover your mouse over the Settings icon on the right and click on Properties. Now let's paste the copied line to the location shown using Ctrl-V. We're done with Steam for now. We can put it in the background. Now we will open the This Computer section and go to the directory where the Steam files are located. Open Program Files. Open Steam File. Open Steam Apps File. Open Common File. Now open the Stardew Valley file. Here is the mods folder. We will copy the mod file we downloaded and extract it here. The mod has been installed successfully. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please like it and subscribe to Slayer. Have a good day, everyone.